All right, welcome to the next video in the series of brush, knee, and strike. If you've somehow found yourself at this video and you're trying to figure out what's going on, please go back to the very first video. This is a series, and what's contained in the first videos is the most important. If you don't have that, what you're going to learn here is going to be of no use. You won't be doing Tai Chi, all right? So the first videos are very important. You have to make sure you've got at least comfortable with those things, especially now because we're going to be using both arms. Now, the problem with doing both arms is this is the point where things get really haywire. This is where people start to go off the tracks because now two arms are involved, and people aren't used to using both of their hands at the same time to perform a function. The hands have to be in sync with each other. Now, the key to this is not practicing the arms so they're in sync by looking at it, but it's by practicing the turning of the waist and the shifting of the weight and getting that ingrained into your nervous system so your mind is not spending all this time trying to figure out the whole body all at once. So you really need to get that basic stance down, and you really have to get the basic movement down. That said, let's just jump right into it. We're going to go into our bow stance. Step back with the right, keep the foot on the same line, the heel, toe out, bend the knees, shift the waist. Make sure you're in a good, proper bow stance. Take a second. 70% in the front, center of the foot, 30% in the back. Knees are bent, waist is squared off, head is up, tucking under with the coccyx, relax the chest down. Now, this is the striking hand. This is the brush knee hand. They're going to be doing the same exact thing I did in the earlier videos, but they're going to be doing it at the same time. Now, the first thing we're going to do is turn the waist. As soon as we turn the waist, the left rises, the right goes down. The left elbow folds, and the palm turns in towards the face. So I'm almost completely in my back foot now. Again, right hand goes down, it sinks down, left hand rises, the left elbow bends, the palm turns over. Okay, make sure this elbow's down and the arms are relaxed. This hand's not up here, it's down here. And you can see the counter movement of the limbs. Now both limbs have to move at the same time. One can't stop and then start again. It'll be out of position. Again, shift the weight, turn the waist to the right, bend the left elbow, palm turns over. One more time. Shift, extend the left, drop the right, bend the left elbow, palm turns in. Now from here we're going to continue our turn, and as I continue to turn back, this is when the left hand starts to descend and the right hand starts to come up. Extend the left, bend the left, continuing to shift the weight. Make sure this right arm is extended back, the elbow is down. The hands both are about at the height of the chest now. Make sure that palm is up and your arm's now way up here, the elbow's down, elbows close to the body. Shift. Extend the back, palm up. Shift, extend the left, bend the left, extend the right. One more time, nice and slow. Shift, turn. Right down, left up, extend the right. Now at this point, all my weight's in the back leg. For me at least, in the beginning, it's not going to be easy for you to do that. Remember, don't twist your spine to accomplish this, and make sure, look at my weight, it's all on the back, and I'm sitting down onto the back leg. I haven't stood up like this. Make sure you're sitting down. That's why Tai Chi is so good for your legs. Turn, extend the left, extend the right. Now we're going to turn left. The left hand's going to brush the knee. This is clearing the way for the strike. Boom. And when we arrive here, the right hand is at chest height. The elbow is down. 70% of your weight is in the front leg. Your head is up. The left hand is in this position, not here, here, or this. Here. Extend the left, bend the left. Extend the right. Left hand comes down. Brush the knee first. Strike. Stay low, keep the knees bent. Notice the counteraction of the hands. Stay level, keep the head up. Turn from the waist, shift the weight. Everything is moving. Go slow. Breathe. Sit up through the whole movement. Release all the joints in the body, soften the joints out. Brush, knee, and strike. One more time, and then we'll switch to the other side. And there we go. Step forward, bring your foot to the line we've talked about. Step back with the left comfortably on your line. Shift on the heel, pivot on the heel. Feet in the correct position, knees, waist, weight. Right hand is now brushing, right leg is forward. Right hand is brushing, left is striking. Elbows down and in towards the body. Weight 70% in the front. Tuck the coccyx. Suspend from above, relax the chest. Turn from the waist and extend the right. Bend the right. Extend the left. Bend the left. Brush the knee first. And strike, 70% in the front. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep the eyes off the ground. Focus on keeping the waist moving, the hip joints moving, the muscles soft. Stay level, stay relaxed, go slow. Don't do a 1-2 movement. It's flowing like a river. It just keeps going, doesn't stop. Keep the fingers relaxed. And there we are. That is brush, knee, and strike. Now in the next video, I'm going to do a little step forward. You can stop here and just practice this when you feel confident, because this little step forward and back has stepping involved, so it becomes a little more difficult. Your legs have to be really strong. So make sure you practice this until you have a full amount of confidence. Then you can move on to the step, but you don't have to move on to the step. And that said, I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing.